Oh, hello everyone. We are Group 4 and today we will present our project title Mindspace. Next. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Dewi Karunia Fateh, student ID number 2023-31054. Now, I would like to invite my teammates to introduce themselves one by one.
Hello everyone, my name is Promise Tiangrini Romadona. My student number is 2023-30121.
My name is Nadila Kusumadewi and my student ID number is 2023-301035.
My name is Gali Putri Anggraini. My student ID number 2023-31036.
Thank you everyone. Once again, we are Group 4 and now we will start our presentation about the Mindspace project. Next. Project background. First, the problem. 1. Increasing awareness of the importance of mental health in recent years. 2. Many individuals, especially students and young adults, struggle to find emotional support. Second, key barrier. 1. Social stigma. 2. High cost. 3. Limited access to professional.
So we have a problem and here is our solution. We will create a mobile application. This app is a digital safe space. It has three main features. First, to help user monitor their emotional well-being with a mood tracker. Second, to facilitate anonym, anonym, anonymous story sharing so user feel safe. And third, to provide information and tips for stress management. Next. Okay, we have three main goals. First, provide a safe space. We want users to express themselves without fear of judgment. Second, practical tools. We will give useful features like the mood tracker and stress guides. And third is connect with professionals. We want to make it easier for a user to find help from a psychologist or counselor. Next. Okay, we have six main deliverables for this project. Number one is we will create the analysis and design document. Number two is we will make the design prototype using Figma. Number three, we will develop the mobile application. Number four, we will build the backend and database. Number five, we will provide a testing report based on our result. And last is the final report and presentation.
In this section, we will explain the project scope. The project scope define what is included and not included in our project. It helps us to set clear boundaries so that the development process stay focused and is divided into part in scope and out of scope. For in the scope section, these are the feature and component that are part of our project. First, the development of a mobile application for both Android and iOS platforms. Second, a user-friendly UI UX design to ensure a smooth experience for users. Third, an online consultation system where user can connect with psychologists. Four, a community feature called Heart Talk that allow moderate discussion. And last, education content related to mental health provide to increase awareness and knowledge. Out of scope, for the out of scope section, these are the parts that are not included in this project. One, the development of a web version for desktop is not part of the current scope. Through integration with wearable device, smartwatch is also excluded. And finally, multi-language support is not include the application. Will only use Bahasa Indonesia. In this section, we will explain the project timeline along with its key need. The plan is divided into your mind, starting from the project initiation to the final testing and evaluation stage. The first project initiation. During this stage, we focus on preparing the project's charter and conducting user research to understand user need and expectation. This help us define clear
Phase 3 development, 5 week and 8 week, back-end construction and front-end development. Phase 4 testing and evaluation, 9 week to 10 week, future security and stability testing. Next. Phase 5 beta launch, week 11, release of the trial version to early user. Phase 6 final documentation, week 12, preparation of the final report and user guide. Next.
Okay, we have three contents, namely assumption, constraint, and dependencies. Assumption, one, all team members actively participate. Second, supporting equipment and software are available without issues. Three, teamwork schedule is flexible and adjustable. Constraint, one, project must be complete within one semester, 16 weeks. Two, application is developed only for the Android platform. Three, limited number of team members. Dependencies, one, stable internet connection and peer-based service availability. Second, UI UX design approval by the supervisor before implementation. Next, structure project team. Role, project manager. Name, Pramestya Angrini Romadona. Main responsibility, oversee overall project execution. Role, UI or UX designer. Name, Dewi Karunia Fateh. Main responsibility, design the user interface and experience. Role, developer. Name, Galiputri Angrini. Main responsibility, develop the main space mobile application. Role, research and document. Name, Nadila Kusuma Dewi. Main responsibility, conduct research and compile project documentation. Next, project resource. Three project resource. Project resource, design is Figma, development is Flutter or React Native, or front end, Node.js or Golang or back end. Database is Firebase or PostgreSQL. Version control is GitHub. All software licensee use open source tools. Next, human resource for team members with distribution roles. Uh, next, duration and coach. Duration is 1 semester, 16 weeks, and estimate cost is free or using service like Firebase or Heroku.
That concludes our presentation on the Mindspace project. We hope that our presentation has provided valuable insight and contribute to our collective understanding. Thank you for kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.